Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year to you. Welcome to my channel, Living Right, loving what you grow and growing what you love. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of my greenhouse. And I want you to know that, before then, I want you to know that anyone can grow. If you have green thumbs, even if you don't have green thumbs, all you have to do is just pray. I had to do that. I started gardening. I started my growing journey like about four years ago, and everything that I do, I did a lot of learning. There's no problem. There's no reason why you can learn from others. I'm not an expert. I'm just showing you what I grow and how it's been working for me. So right now I'm going to take you a tour on my backyard. Today is it's cold. It's like about 30 degrees. Yeah, although it's sunny, but we had a snow. Well, I wouldn't say it's a blizzard. We had like it snowed all day on Thursday and Friday. So this part of the world here in the United States, we get hit with a lot of icy rain. Anyway, I don't want to bore you too much with that, but I just want us to just go right into it. So I'm going to try, and this is a new camera that I'm using, so please forgive me if everything looks like, I am just trying to learn how to use this camera. If you have any suggestions, you can tell me. Okay, so I started off growing. My son gifted me this box from Amazon, so that prompted me. He bought it from Amazon. So here, everything is rotting now because it's all gone. The only thing left there is the rosemary. So what I did was that I planted some tomatoes in here, and it was fantastic. So from then onwards, I bought this last year, and I am recovering from cancer, and to God be the glory, everything is fine. So I had to buy this because I knew I wouldn't have the strength to do it. Anyway, off to the greenhouse. So this is the greenhouse that was gifted to me for my birthday. It's a 6x9 greenhouse. It has 2 windows. There is one on the north side, which is that one over there. As you can see, right there. And I'm going to walk around so I can show you what the other one is. The other one is here on the north side. You can see that it's opened up a little bit. So the greenhouse have this mechanism that the window automatically opens up and closes up. So when it gets extremely cold outside, it closes up. So I don't have to come in and close the vent like some other greenhouses. Oh guys, look, the snow here is like about 5 inches deep. Oh well. So I open this door here, and then when I want to leave it open, I can it self latches, and then I can just release the latch and close it. But let's go right into it. All right. Now I've closed the door, guys, as you can see. There's a little bit noisy out there. Now, there's some greenhouses that when they don't have this release whereby if you lock yourself in, but mine does. So with this little rope, all I have to do is I just pull it and it releases the latch, and then so that's how that goes. All right. Now let's start first with this. I bought this tomato when it was like about, let me see, maybe like 3-4 inches. It was the end of summer last year, and I was thinking, oh, it's too late for me to grow anything out of it. So I decided to put it into these containers, self-watering containers. They're called Mobile Veggie Patch, which I picked this up from Habitat for Humanity. I really do like this because it's self-watering. Okay guys, anyone can do any planting, you just need to be patient. So I tried to baby it, but I thought maybe it's dying. So my daughter was like, Mom, don't throw it out. I said, okay. And so I decided to bring it into the greenhouse, and man, it's still producing, as you can see. And that gives me an idea of what I want to do. I'm thinking of trying to plant some tomatoes from seeds, which I have already bought the seeds, and I am thinking of planting it in. I've prepared the container I want to plant it in, but then I got another container which it's meant for tomatoes. So I am, once when I'm getting ready to do the planting, I will shoot a video so you guys can see how easy it is to do this. Now inside here you see that everything outside there is all gone, but here look, I have my longevity spinach. It's very medicinal. You can do some research. What I bought it from someone, a grower in Florida, from Estee, and when I got it, it was just like two small plants that was sent to me, and then what I did was I propagated, and then I have so many now. I have a lot. This is the second one. This also is that self-watering container I was talking to you about, and then the grow bag. And then I have some bell peppers. It's ripening, as you guys can see. Look, it's so easy to grow your food. At least start small. And these are my strawberries. They're not doing so good. Another thing is that when you have a greenhouse, you need to get these things that will catch the bugs, or else your greenhouse will be, you have a lot of bugs in there. So I use this, and maybe in my next video I'm going to show you what I use to spray on my plants when they start having issues. So this one is okay now. Even it looks like it's dying, but it's not. And then another thing is that the temperature in the greenhouse now is, guys, 82. And I have this thermostat that regulates how often this heat I have in here comes on. It says 70. I don't know why the variation in temperature between the thermostat and the little thermometer I have in there, but I'll go with this one. And this is how I heat it. I have an extension cord that runs from the outlet in the house into here, and this is the little space heater that I use in here. I bought it from Amazon, and I used it last year. It worked very well, and this year I'm using it again. So what I did last year was that, if you see all these little patches, one thing about this greenhouse is that the polybicarbonate, I think that's what they call it, is so thick and strong, as you can see. So last year I had this bubble wrap all around, and I noticed that it made the place sweat so much that it started peeling off. So this year I've decided that, you know what, I'm not going to put anything on here. I'm just going to leave it and just leave the bottom part. So that's what I did. And here's my rosemary. I'm doing an experiment to see if the rosemary will survive the winter outside, and see how it behaves in here. So there you have it, guys. It's so easy. Give me a minute. It's so easy to grow your food. Just be patient and come out and start small. You can start with tomatoes or something very simple. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you the new container I am going to use for my tomatoes. So I bought the seeds. For some reasons last year, some of the tomato plants that I bought from the store didn't do so well, so I've decided to grow my own tomatoes from seeds. So I am going to try and do that in my next video. But I just wanted you to know, it was nice and warm in there, and the cold just hit me. I just wanted you to know that you can grow what you love and love what you grow. Start small and then you can scale up. And until next time, take care of yourself and take care of each other. Love what you grow, and I am loving what I am growing. Have a wonderful day and God bless. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.